Okay, we are watching the mirrors. Okay, and here we go. So, is it on intermittently? Scraping it, I'll do it manually. I have to turn on the defoggers now. If you're new to cars, this is how defogger works. You set it to defogger, so it blows directly in the glass there, and then you got your fan. You can set it accordingly. I'll set it on 1 for now because it's not fogging that much, and you got to power on the AC. Keep it internal flow only, and yep, there it is. It's quickly clean. But we have to drive slowly indeed because we are carrying poultry, like a chicken to be honest, and a guitar and a laptop, and basically so today you will be seeing me driving not like an asshole or not driving like an asshole, and you will be watching me behave basically. So I wanted to show you oh fuck, this is Mahindra. The other day I have taken a video, I have uploaded it, and I could not catch that car even on these speed breakers. I'll tell you, that car just glided over them. Like seriously, I was freaked out. I was around 70-80 kilometers per hour, and he must have been like 90-100, man, because I could not catch him. I could see him, I could maintain a visual, but I could not catch him, let alone pass him. Like I could not even close the gap. It's not pathetic because what are you going to do with a 700cc engine? Like that guy was a regular driver, so that's something everybody should learn from him. Okay, this is what happens when you drive like a gentleman in Nano and you just decide to switch your modes. You can't. It just doesn't let you. It says, I don't have the power. What you said, you promised you were going to go slow, and now you're just pushing me. How am I supposed to go? And then you have to shift. Yeah, so you can't just slow and pump. I don't know why. Rain makes people dumber. I don't know where I heard this, but yeah, it does. नेत्रदान करून आलाय का हा? I know there is a river here, and basically that car just was driving too slow. I don't know why. See, people just won't let you live. Like if it was like no one around for miles, I would have, but no. Whatever. So we got like one gear speed breaker. I'm like highly doubtful. Like how am I even? Like if they catch me recording this place, I might be in some trouble because this is a military area. But okay, whatever. Let's just hope we never come to that bridge. We never have to cross it. Uh, was I in the wrong there? No. That guy was gonna stop anyway, so Oh, brace ourselves. We might hit on red. It's difficult to hit 100. But we will do it. Look at that guy. This is tailgating if you don't know, and this is bad. This is brake check if you don't know, and that is bad. And this is driving like a pro and basically an asshole. I failed. We don't have to go from the middle because that will take us God knows where. Might as well run some AC. Brake check. No, this is not the speed. Now you can need a brake with third. Now you don't need to. These stupid people, they come from anywhere. Like, see, I can see them coming though, but they should not do this, I feel. Oh, okay, they are allowed to. And never mind my word. I'm just an elitist, I guess. Wanna watch the road. It has to be clear. So this is what happened in the worst case scenario. I mean, one worst case scenario plus me, nothing. I forgot to switch on the AC, and now it's hot. The water is but I can actually. And I have not promised you guys not to drive like an asshole, so I'm gonna continue doing that now. Early shift, so I don't do that. The highway is over practically, so okay, great. Second gear speed breaker. This is a very nice area to learn driving, and I wonder who's learning today. Probably that guy. Look at that guy. Move, bitch. Look at this guy. Nibanibi Park. This is Nibanibi Road, and this is the uncle who does not know that there's a road there, and he can use it. No, just you know what? Just tell them not to use the road, and then see they will use the road. Then they'll like protest, break the law to use that road, but no, now they won't. Look at this uncle doing so. Oh my god, yes, I have to drive slowly. I keep forgetting that. I wish this was a stream or a video call or something. Someone would remind me something. You have to drive slow, you have poultry, you have biryani material. And I was like, yeah, thank you for reminding me. And yada. Oh my god. Hey, that was a big one. Nice bike. Probably Yamaha SC modified a bit. I like this area. This has potential. Good society. Is probably very old. Fuck. Why? I think I should just roll up my windows because I'm getting some uncomfortable glances. I will use the sauna. Should I just, strip the shirt and go full command or something? I don't know. Hopefully I will. Okay. Yeah. I have to remember. I am not gonna drive like an asshole. I am not gonna drive like an asshole. I am not gonna drive like an asshole. Not gonna take this turn, which make me experience 5G. This much should be okay. What should I do? Okay, I'll turn on the fans. I'll take the outer air in, and I'll have to set it to my face. Something just broke in there, I guess. I don't know. Oh, yeah, it does. It just does that. And I have to switch off the AC. कितने तेजस्वी लोग. What the fuck? That guy is actually seriously like, look at that guy and look at the girl with him. I'll pause and put a picture of beautiful guys. I'm not gonna drive like an asshole. I'm not gonna drive like an asshole. Look at those people, like 3 tripsy. Nobody's catching them. People are so lucky. So it's 14:38, and I am not gonna drive like an ass. Oh, nice car, nice driving. I would like to watch that guys driving someday, but whatever. So ये संग है उम्र भर का I'm not gonna die. But look at that guy. Like, seriously, what's wrong with them? चले ही जाना है, 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 चले ही जाना है. We have to drive slow because we have to drive slow. Whatever, man. At this point, I don't even care. I'll just show you how Nano is like Tesla. I guess we're gonna be early, like 10 minutes early. So guys, what is your thought on vaccine? Like vaccination? Yeah? Oh yeah, I forgot. You guys can't talk. So, today I had gone to drink tea or something, and then I just told that guy that I was going to get vaccinated today, and he was like, why? There's nothing wrong with your body, so why would you take medication of any sorts? Well, logic wise it should work, but now there's wrong with the world. There's a virus rampant outside in the invisible air, and if you don't take that shot, then I feel that something is wrong. Fuck, I actually broke something. Okay. I think I did. I broke something because this is coming from the feet as well, which it should not. And I should have been gentle with the switch. To select the switch. I'm sorry, Nano. I have broken you. I will pay in blood. Basically not, I just pay repair money, but yeah. Hey, yeah, boy. I have to brake hard. I'll go and then I'll take a turn there. Let me see if anybody is in the way. That guy was on the way. I cut him off badly. Am I sorry? Yes, but just a little bit. Because this is India and everybody expects it. And no hard feelings, my friend. I should take a turn around here. Right here. Will I be able to turn? Well, it doesn't matter because I can just take a 3-point turn. And be sure not to overdo. So, if you are not regular on this channel, so I'll just tell you what oh fuck. You guys, what I just did. So I had to take a 3-point turn because since I changed the tires of this car, it takes sharper turns now. But the downside is I can't take full lock turns anymore. And if I do try to do that, then fuck, why did I do that? So if I do try that, what happens is the inside of the tire, it rubs on the cables which are there in the wheel hub, like brake light cable probably or something, I don't know. So that's why I can't do that anymore. I don't do that because I'm a good boy. Fuck, this is not a good turn. So I have to take a turn from way over there. I hope I'll be able to do that. And yes, I will be. Okay. Look at the size of this. Oh fuck, I have to drive slow, I forgot. How's business? यार रास्ते पे आ गए भाई हम अभी क्या बिजनेस का पूछ Oh goes don't ride parallelly bro, I have to be somewhere. Do Not comfortable me. I'd get an colony and then you have to switch off this and this, you have to switch this on, switch that off, and these guys right in the road, but what do I care? Oi, boo. Is this it? Yes, this is it. Okay. なんかやばい音しなかったか。